For entertainment purposes only, all investment involves risk. Do not attempt to make any of the trades shared on our channel. I am not liable for any bad trades you make. Only idiots would listen to a stoner. This is not investment advice, nor am I a financial advisor. My own life isn't even together. Any income garnered from trading is subject to taxation from the IRS, and they will use everything in their power to recover taxes owed, including homing missiles, bloodhounds, and barracudas.
Oh man, that was a brain freeze. Alright. What's up, YouTube? We're back again with Stock Skills. Today is February 1st, 2021. The market has exploded in other places. This account hasn't seen hardly any of that, and as much as I regret to inform that, I mean, I was in there getting those GameStop, those AMCs, those Nakeds, those Blackberries, those doggy coins, all of those ridiculous gains. None of that fucking activity happened on this account. So, unfortunately, that's not going to get shown here today. I'll make a video about it. I've been wanting to make videos about the current state of the market for a while, but I haven't really had much ambition, I guess, or time to do it amongst all the other things I'm doing. Effectively playing the market. I'd literally be rambling for hours about what I'm doing right then. You might as well live stream it at that point. But anyways, let's get down to it. So right now we have 84 shares of uranium energy. Last I bought was 30 shares. That was today, and before that was about 5 days ago I bought it, and it hadn't really made any returns like it was supposed to. I bought in at 169, and I think yesterday I closed at a loss, but today they got some really good news, and the shares price went up about like 40 cents. What's that? 69. So about, excuse me, probably 20 cents. So they've gone up 20 cents, and look, let me bring up the chart here so we can see the plays. Yes, and it's already on the 1 month still. So you see we bought in about right here, and then we reinforced our position at this point, which led us to this middle point here, with has a total position of 175. We've seen it go as high as 210, so it's not unrealistic for it to reach that price. And with that being said, 30 cents, 40 cents per share, if that happens in a couple more days, that's not too bad. 40 cents per share on $1.75. That's pretty decent percentage returns. Hopefully they transpire here in the next couple hours or maybe tomorrow. But that's the name of the game. You want to look for these low points here and see that there was a high point somewhere that it worked up to. You don't want to judge off of a big spike. You want nice and slow growth over a couple days that led to a point where it burst and then crashed down, and then this is where you want to buy back in, and then we're working our way back up. So we have our uranium energy. They've gotten their good news. We'll see how this all plays out. Let's get into the orders. You see we haven't really done much day trading. Let's see, we haven't really done any day trading. We've just been playing them over a period of days. Let's see, here we bought some Impixions. This was a day trade. Okay, this is probably our last day trade. Was 113 we bought in, sold them out for 115. And this is probably before we started using the full $100 in the account. Regarding after this shit got clapped. We bought in at 137. That was a high. So then I tried to lower my cost basis using just the 25 bucks, and I was able to cut it 3 cents. I hoped it was going to turn around, but it sure the fuck didn't. And then it kept going down, so we tapped into the 100 bucks. We bought 30 more shares to kind of counterbalance the 15 we already had. So we did a two-thirds overtake at 26 cents. So that probably lowered us down to like 128 or something. And then we sold out at 130 for a profit on the whole bundle. And that transpired over a couple days. And let's see. Allied Esports was bought, and Vertex Energy was bought, and Impixion was bought. So after we opened up the 100 bucks, we started running 3 different positions at once to try to diversify. A diverse account is a strong account. So we started trying to diversify, and then I guess we sold out for a profit, hopefully 160 to 173. And then we bought more in Pixions and ultimately sold out there for more profit. So we bought 133 and 133, so we just kind of doubled down on our position, and then we gained double returns when the profits came out. And then we dabbled in uranium energy for a minute. We got in at 163, got out at 177, and then we dipped on out of there. We dipped out of Vertex. It got back into uranium energy when it went back down after its little spike. And now it's spiked again, but this time it spiked on some good news. So hopefully this one sticks, and that's why I bought into it. And after looking at the 1 month chart, it really seems like uranium energy is going to be turning a profit here shortly, even if it's not today. Earlier today we were at $10 up, but I don't know, it just got an attitude. It got an attitude problem between takes, and now it's started to go the other direction. Yeah, we bought in probably about like right here, 187, I believe it was filled at, or did it fill at 188? Let's see, order history. Filled at 188. So yeah, we bought at the high of today. That never looks good. Come on, open the stock quote. There we go. So we bought in at 188, and we're hoping for it to shoot up to that $2.10 that it's been at before. 30-cent gain off of the good news. They see there's quite a bit of a spike going on today. So that's why we're playing this position right now. We're not going to get too deep into the news. That's just where the account sits. And hopefully we'll get more. Yeah, look, we're back up to $10 gains today. So it'll flutter around there and hopefully be going up. That's the name of the game, is you want to see an opportunity, get in and get out. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Later, traders.